Hello, guys. I'm Sushant. I'm a soft skill trainer and a professional image consultant. Guys, I just want to tell you one thing: follow your dreams, follow your passion. Find out, find out what you are good at, find out what you love doing.
In a world where majority people aspire to secure a good job, Sushant Sharma took a calculated risk and left his well-paying job after spending nearly 20 years in the corporate world. Due to his clear vision, persistence, hard work, and strong purpose of serving society, his risk paid off, and today he has trained over 5,000 people and brought a significant change in their lives. After all, the secret of getting ahead is getting started. So how did this happen? Sushant Sharma was born and brought up in Rajasthan. After completing his BCom, he came to Mumbai for further studies and now holds a postgraduate diploma in marketing from Nasi Monji College, Mumbai. Soon, he got a job in the corporate world and started gaining practical experience. Throughout his corporate journey, he traveled across India, received opportunities to work with big companies like Grasim Industries Limited, Aditya Birla Mutual Fund, ICICI Prudential Mutual Fund, and various other big corporations. He has been among the pioneers of introducing a systematic investment plan to retail investors in India and has established himself as a C-suite executive with nearly 2 decades of success record. Sushant has vast experience in dealing with corporations in terms of investment banking and being instrumental in arranging funds for them for their short-term and long-term working capital requirements. He has a long list of contacts and relationships in the corporate world in the investors and banking financial duty, which is a testimony of his exposure and experience in the corporate finance world. In 2019, despite living a luxurious life with his family, he realized that his real calling lies in something else, and he accumulated some courage and decided to take a calculated risk and leave his job behind to lead a purposeful life. He realized that since he had gained exposure from various industries, his valuable experience can be used to train people and help them transform so that people can live the best version of themselves. He was now on a mission and wanted to contribute hugely to India's development. Sushant got himself certified from various national and international accreditations, and today he's a successful business coach, a corporate trainer, and an incubation enabler with a specialization in startup funding, venture capitals, and private equity space. Throughout his journey, he has coordinated with major corporate treasury houses in Delhi NCR region such as Dabur, Chambal Fertilizers, Hero FinCorp, and many more. Because it was a journey less traveled, Sushant had to start everything from scratch. But in no time, Sushant bounced back even higher this time.
I have been in last 20 years of my corporate life. I have been in touch with various corporate institutions, various corporate HR, finance, and senior guys I have been in touch with. They have given me the feedback. The kind of feedback what is? Not even trust me, not even 2-3% meet the criteria what they are expecting. In terms of soft skills, in terms of personal grooming, in terms of how to carry themselves, in terms of their communication skills, in terms of their confidence building, in terms of their negotiation skills. This is where you can add a lot of value, guys. This is what I identified. I became a trainer myself. This is where I thought, yes, this is, I can bring out a lot of difference to it. And today I'm a certified soft skill trainer and a professional image consultant, having more than 5,000 clients of my own, which I have trained currently. And I'm proud of it. I'm proud of being an entrepreneur. I'm proud of being an advisor. Because of my corporate finance background, I have advised so many people in terms of startup, funding advisory, the venture capital advisory, how to raise funds, how to face the investor, someone who's looking to invest in your company, a private equity investor, a venture capital funding. This is where I can assist you.
He focuses on crucial aspects that help people in developing on a personal as well as on professional front. Soft skills is known to be the key to attract, find, maintain, and engage with clients. Research shows that qualities like demonstration skills, networking capabilities, and behavioral knowledge plays an important role in generating business. Today, Sushant offers startup funding and advisory, corporate staff training, image enhancement, soft skills training, diversity and leadership training, capital markets, investment banking, fixed income, top and bottom line improvement, strategic business development, investment advisory operations, market competitor analysis, channel management and expansion, training and mentoring, client engagements, business valuation, industry analysis, resource fund mobilization, portfolio and risk management, loan syndications, financial modeling, and due diligence. No university can teach you a lot of skills that only experience of personalized training can teach you. Hence, to help people in becoming their best version, Sushant Sharma walked his own path. This magic is better experience, so get in touch with Sushant Sharma at www.scintillatingsushant.com. It takes a lot of courage to leave a well-settled life and start a new journey, but Sushant's story tells us that life is all about facing the fire and achieving new heights. You see, it's not about ideas, it's about making ideas happen. Here is what Sushant has to say about life.
Guys, have a look around you. Just take a look. What people need. What are the pain points of the society? What the society expects from you. In terms of products, in terms of services, some innovative. Find out some innovation where you can bridge the gap, where you can show your value to the society. That is the reason, that is the point where you can justify your existence. You can find out a reason for being. That will give you the true happiness. It's a kind of a social entrepreneurship. This is a key word, social entrepreneurship. If you want to get into entrepreneurship, just have a look around you. People are suffering. People are having a lot of pains in life. Can you minimize it? Can you reduce it to a certain extent? By your thoughts, by your actions, by your deeds. By kind of a product you can make something like that, which can help them to, work on themselves. The moment you are able to identify something like that, the majority of your objective is achieved.